Okay, today we'll demonstrate assembly of the 5th Gen 360 freeze handle. This detachable lower handle comes in medium-size configuration. And this is the large size variant. The ergonomic grip here provides excellent maneuverability. Hold it securely like this. This is the control interface. Here's the main power switch. Duplicate controls on the display. Both large and medium handles feature identical control systems. Good. This locking mechanism ensures secure connections. The gasket here maintains airtight sealing. Filter foam fits here. Right, let's examine the large handle first. It includes 4 interchangeable cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, install the filter foam into this designated chamber. After insertion, secure it with the silicone retainer, oriented with grooves facing outward. Insert it in this orientation. Got it. Press firmly to secure. This prevents coolant from bypassing the filter and entering tubes directly. Regular maintenance is crucial. This sealing ring must be properly aligned. Install with stiffest side facing outward. Note the alignment holes. Install sequentially. Once installed, select appropriate cup for your application. Alignment markers ensure proper positioning. Match the grooves and snap in place. Repeat the process on other side. Done. Secure the latch. This creates a tight seal. Ensure the central seal lies flat. Any wrinkling causes air leaks. This completes large handle assembly. For maintenance, release this hinge lock. Disengage the clasp. The hinge allows full access. Proceed with component replacement. Reassemble following same steps. That's all set. Perfect. Each handle includes spare filters, retainers, and seals. All sizes, large, medium, and compact, include these. Medium handle follows identical installation procedure. Attach the retainer plate. Check. After securing, ensure seal lies flat. No creases allowed. Fasten the cup assembly securely. There we go. The lower shell's handle works the same way. Place the sponge into this slot. After positioning it properly, align the retention bracket and secure it in place. Check this out. It's firmly secured now. Perfect. After each use, remember, the filter pad is removable for cleaning. Unclip the retaining bracket, remove the sponge, and wash thoroughly. Dry completely before reusing. It's designed for multiple uses. Same maintenance as facial cleaning tools. Always install the filter during operation. This step is mandatory. Alright, that's the complete handle assembly, with key precautions and instructions. That concludes the demonstration.